Welcome to Intellectual. In this video tutorial, we'll try to solve this equation x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 equal to 2613. Another equation x square plus xy plus y square equal to 67. In order to solve this two equation, we have to use two identities, that is a plus b whole square will give you a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the second one a square minus b square equal to a minus b and a plus b. Now I will highlight this two equation. These are the two identities we are using in this question. Now step 1, x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 equal to 2613. We have to convert this in the form of a plus b whole square. For doing that, we will add x square and y square and subtract x square y square from this equation. Let us see that x power 4 plus x square y square. Here we are adding x square y square. At the same time we are subtracting it, plus y power 4 is equal to 2613. Now we'll write it x square y square, because this x square y square and this will add up to 2x square y square minus x square y square plus y power 4 is equal to 2613. On rearranging the terms, we get x power 4 plus 2x square y square plus y power 4 minus x square y square is equal to 2613. Now if we look at these three terms, now this can be written in the form of a square plus b square whole square. This is x square y square is equal to 2613. We can again write this equation in the form of a square minus b square, which can be written as a minus b and a plus b. So this can be reduced to x square plus y square whole square minus x square y square equal to 2613. We'll write x square plus y square minus xy and x square plus y square plus xy is equal to 2613. Our second equation was x square plus xy plus y square equal to 67. This was our second equation. Let us name this equation as 3. We'll divide equation number 3 by 2. So x square plus xy, x square plus y square minus xy, x square plus y square plus xy divided by x square plus xy plus y square will give you 2613 upon 67. On solving, we get x square plus y square minus xy is equal to 39. Let us name this equation as equation number 4. Now we have two equations, x square plus y square minus xy equal to 39 and another x square plus xy plus y square So y square plus xy is equal to 67. This was our equation 2. Now by adding and subtracting these two equations, x square plus xy plus y square equal to 67 and x square minus xy plus y square equal to 39. On adding and subtracting these equations, we have, let us see, we have 2x square plus 2y square equal to 106, which give you x square plus y square equal to 53. This is one of the equation. Now second is on subtracting, we get 2xy is equal to 28, which gives you xy equal to 14. This is another equation. Now, so we'll choose the values of x and y such that it should satisfy the equation x square plus y square equal to 53 and xy equal to 14. So we'll choose x is equal to 7 and y equal to 2 so that it will satisfy x square plus y square equal to 53. Similarly, we can take the values of x as minus 7 and y equal to minus 2 so that it also satisfies the equation xy equal to 14 and x square plus y square equal to 53. So the various combinations can be plus minus 7 plus minus 2 and y is equal to plus minus 2 and plus minus 7. Hope you like this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial with some more good questions on simultaneous quadratic equation. Goodbye from intellectuals.